Good afternoon, Clay Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center. Today I'm going to show you a 2020 Heartland Torque. This is going to be the 371 fifth wheel toy hauler. Come on inside, let me show you some of the features. Okay, so as we walk around the door inside here, this is going to have a half dinette area. Could add some bar stools and make it a full dinette area for eating, a breakfast nook, what have you. Nice big flat screen TV up on the wall. Easy view from the couch area. Nice big kitchen area, U-shaped kitchen with a nice big sink, stove, oven, large residential style microwave. Lots of cabinets throughout the whole thing. LED lights throughout the whole interior and exterior. Large 4-door refrigerator. Pass through the door into the garage area. We have a half bath. Nice big garage area here with the opposing dinette option and a above bunk bed. The opposing dinette will also make into a bed itself, so we have two beds in the garage. Enough interior space if we want to put an air mattress down and sleep even more, we can. It does have the patio cable kit with the fencing to go around and the step to come up the back end. So that's a very nice feature to enjoy the outdoors and be able to utilize the patio as well. It does have a washer and dryer hookup as well as TV hookups for the garage area if we want to add extra TV back there. Then as we come in back into the living room area, it's going to have a 4-person couch with all 4 positions reclined. Nice big windows. Lots of view out the sides. Walking around up into the upstairs area. Nice big bath. It's what they call a Jack and Jill bathroom, so you can pass through from either the hallway area into the bathroom or from the bedroom area into the bathroom, either way, with a nice tub into the bedroom area. Then we got the tilting reclining bed with a large wardrobe slide. This one's going to have solid surface countertops throughout, lots of windows, be able to view outside and have a nice view while we're inside. Also has the outdoor kitchen area, some outdoor storage, electric auto leveling system, power awning out the patio side with the big LED lights. This is a very nice unit. It's going to have the larger generator with the fuel station, so we don't have to carry around the gas cans inside the coach as well. So plenty of fuel, plenty of water, plenty of capacities. Again, that's Clay Thompson at Guaranty RV Center here in Junction City, Oregon. If you have any questions in our toy hauler inventory, feel free to give me a call. You can reach me direct at 541-979-1770. Again, that's Clay Thompson at Guaranty RV Center. Make sure you ask for me. Thank you. Have a great day.